A lot of affiliates do not disclose their affiliate relationship. As for me though, I do not want to get in trouble with the FTC. So what I recommend people to do is to disclose verbally and in text, which is in the description of your video. Disclose the relationship that you have with the product that you're talking about in the video. Now, this is not legal advice I'm giving you. I'm not a lawyer. So if you want some legal advice, go see a lawyer or do your own research. Okay, so I'm just speaking from personal experience and I'm just giving you a tip if you want to follow it or not. Now, when you are disclosing your affiliate relationship, try to be positive about it and try to mention it first thing or early in the video, not at the end, so it doesn't seem like you're trying to hide something. Okay, and as for disclosing it in your description, you could put it at the bottom. Okay, and I provided a sample disclaimer that you could put in the bottom of your description. As you can see here, I'll just read it for you. It says, a disclaimer, this video and description contains affiliate links, which means that if you click on one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission. This helps support the channel and allows us to continue to make videos like this. Thank you for the support.